Audio Electronics, and today we're going to go over our new 32.4.2AI mixer. For those of you that are familiar with our 16.4.2 and 24.4.2, there's a lot of similarities, but you'll see that there's a lot of new features and a lot of enhancements in this mixer. So first, obviously there are 32 channels. We have a fader for every channel, as we normally do. We have our standard fat channel that most people are used to seeing, but we now have this AB option. And what that does is that gives you two fat channels for every channel on the board, for every sub, every aux output, all of that. Everything has two fat channels now. So you can switch between them, do some edits, have different settings for different guitars at different times, whatever you want. Also, we have, in this area over here, you'll see we have mute groups and mix scenes. And most people are familiar with mute groups. They know what they do. You know, you can save a group of mute buttons and turn them on and off at will. Mix scenes are just a quick recall for your scene. So any scenes you're going to be using for the evening, you can put them here and recall them quickly just with the touch of a button. A little further up here, you'll see most people are familiar with our Firewire return buttons, but these are now called digital return buttons. And the reason for that is, even though the board ships with Firewire 800, it's now in an option card format. So we plan to update this to Thunderbolt with a Dante option card as well by the end of the year. One other huge thing that I want to point out as well is you'll see we have built-in Wi-Fi, and this is the dongle that comes with it, which now means that you do not need a computer to control your StudioLive wirelessly, to connect your SL remote and your Q-Mix. So that's more or less the changes between the 24 and the 32.